Hello everybody, my name is Hamed Gholamrezai or Gholamreza from Guri Architecture Academy. Welcome to this lesson. In this short tutorial, we will introduce SketchUp software for Android mobiles. By registering on the Trimble website, you can see the 3D models you uploaded on this website in the list of models through offline transfer from computer to mobile or Dropbox and or Trimble Connect cloud. Okay, you can follow the full tutorial of SketchUp for mobile in our complete SketchUp course. As one of the projects we worked on this course, I will open it so that you can get to know more about the capabilities of these applications. The graphic modes of displaying the 3D model can be changed. You can consider different modes for lines and faces. The application is very suitable for presentation in meeting with employers and can even be connected to a smart TV so that all members of the meeting can see the project on a larger screen. Note that this version has been released for the Android operating system, and you can easily download and install it from Google Play. But the version released from the iOS operating system has more features, especially if you use this application on iPods and with a smart pen. And one of the other features in this application is to see project animations. Another feature is the measurement in project, where you can measure any part of the projects, and many other features that are taught in complete SketchUp Academy course. Good luck.